Hello students, welcome to the practical class of microprocessor subject. In this class we will do the programming of subtraction of two 8-bit numbers and the result is 8-bit. Okay, so we will do this hexadecimal subtraction of two 8-bit numbers using 8085 microprocessor kit. So for this first we will see the programming. See, our program will start from the address 2000. Okay, from the memory address 2000 our program will start. So the first line is LXI H,2009H. That means you have to get the address of the first number in HL pair. So your HL pair is at 2009. Okay, and here you load the first number. Next, MOV A,M. That means memory content is moved to the accumulator. That means the content of the memory, that is the first number which you have given as the input, is moved to the accumulator. Your next line is INXH. That means your HL pair is incremented. Previously the HL pair was at 2009. Now it will incremented. So the value of HL pair is at what? 2008. So INXH means your HL pair content is at 2008. Next is your SUBM. That means subtract the content of memory and accumulator. That means content of memory means second number from accumulator. In accumulator the first number is there here. You move the first number to accumulator. So you make the subtraction, that is accumulator minus the content of memory, that is second number. And the subtraction result is stored in accumulator. Next is your INXH. That means your HL pair content is incremented. Previously the HL pair content was 2008. Now it will incremented means the HL pair content is 200B. Okay. Next is your move M, A. That means in accumulator your final subtraction result is there. So that subtraction result will move to the memory, that is 200B. Okay. Next is your RST file. That means the program will stop or halt. So for this you need the machine code. So see, this code we will get from the opcode table, opcode chart. Okay. So see, first the starting address is 2000. So in 2000 LXI H,2009. That means this LXI H opcode is 21. This 21 is saved in the address 2000. Okay. Next, your LSB will come, that is 09. So 09 is at 2001. Next your MSB will come. MSB is 20. So 20 is at 2002. Okay. So 2000 address 21 is there. 2001 LSB 09 is there. 2002 MSB, that is 20 is there. So this line completed. Okay. Next line is MOV A,M. So this is one binding instruction. So only the opcode. So the opcode of move A,M is 7E. So 7E is at address 2003. Okay. Next is your INXH. So the opcode of INXH is 23. That 23 is at address 2004. Okay. Next is your subtraction SUBM. The opcode is 96. This value is at address 2005. Next is your increment the HL pair. This opcode is 23. This value is at address 2006. Next is your move M, A. The opcode is 77. That 77 is at address 2007. Next is your RST5. So the opcode is EF. So EF is at 2008. That means your program will start from 2000 address and it will end at 2008. Okay. Then you have to give the input. Two input you have to give two numbers. So where you will give the numbers? The first address is 2009 because you start from 2009. So in 2009 address your first number is there. Suppose you take the first number as 49H. Okay, 49. Next, after you increment the HL pair, after 2009, next address will be at 200A. So 200A, your second number is there. Second number is 32. Next, you make the subtraction of these two numbers. Then you get the result. Your subtraction result is at which address? 200B. So in 200B you will get 49 minus 32. What you will get? 17H. So 17H is at 200B. So you will do this programming in our 8085 microprocessor kit. Okay. So for this particular you need this code and you have to enter this code one by one in the address. Starting address will be 2000. Okay. So For this programming, you are using 8085 microprocessor kit. Okay. So for giving our input, that means to enter the machine codes one by one, you need the keyboard. Okay. So for this, you connect the keyboard to this port CN7. Okay. That means your keyboard is connected to this microprocessor kit. Okay. Next, you make the power supply on. See, here you power is there. So Kitec Micro 885. So your first, what you will do? First job is the starting address 2000. That means we will enter this machine codes one by one. So first in 2000 we will enter 21. So first job is to go to the address 2000. So for this, what is the command? So the command is memory address. You push M. See here M. That means M. You press 2000. Enter. Okay. So what it is showing? In 2000 it is showing 7F. That means previously the value saved was 7F. Okay. Now what is your value? Will be at 2000. In 2000 your value is 21. You have to give 21. So you type in 2000 you give 21. Okay. Then you press enter. So in 2000 value 21 is there. Next is your 2001. In 2001 what is the value? 09. So you give 09. See 2001 09. Next 2002. What is the value? 20. You give 20. Okay. Next 2003. See in 2003 the opcode is what? Move A, M 7E. So you give 7E. See 7E. Then enter. Okay. 2004 INXH opcode is 23. So you give 23. Enter. In 2005 96. 96. Okay. Enter. Next 2006 23. See you give 23. 2006 you give 23. Enter. Next is your 2007. 2007 move M, I. The opcode is 77. So you give 77. See 2007 you give 77. Enter. Next 2008. What is the value? RST5 opcode is EF. So you give EF. Okay. EF. Enter. After this, after giving all the codes, your program gets completed at address 2008. Next you press escape button. Okay. So your so the codes are entered. Then you press enter. Okay. Next job is what? Your next job is to give two inputs. At which address? See, at the address 2009 you have to give the first number, and 2000A you have to give the second number. Suppose you give 2009, the first number is 49H. Okay. Then what you will do? See, you go to memory address M, that is M. Which address? 2009. M2009. Enter. Previously 2009 the value was 05. Okay. So suppose now you will give 49. See. So you type 49. In 2009 you give 49. Enter. Next address 200A. 200J you have to give 32. So you give 32. So after giving this input you press this enter button. Sorry, dot button. So dot means you have entered two inputs. Okay. Next you have to execute the program. Means the program will execute from the address 2000 to 2008. The total program will be executed. After that you will get the subtraction result. Okay. So for execution the command is G. See G. G means executor, and G, then you press the starting address. So for your program the starting address is 2000. So you give G 2000. See G 2000. Then you press dot. G 2000. This dot. Now your program has been executed. Okay. Now your next job is to see the subtraction result. That means you have to see the final result, that is 200B. Based on your program, where is your final result? Your final result is at address 200B. What you will get at the result? 49 minus 32, 17H. So we will go to this address 200B. So for this what you will do? You press M, memory address. Which address you will go? M200B. M200B. You press enter. What you will get? You will get 17. See, 200B. It's showing 1717. That means when you subtract 2 hexadecimal numbers 49 and 32, you will get the subtraction result as 17 at which address? 200B. Here also you get same thing. In 200B, your final result is 17. Okay. So this is the programming of subtraction of two 8-bit numbers. Thank you.